C867 para kay boss. Initials na lang, LJ. Ito yung Vesky na rifle. So may markings dito guys yan nakatakip lang. And then unit is full metal. May kasama na rin siyang LiPo battery and charger pag bumili kayo. Okay, so front assembly is around 9 inches with complete Noveske markings. Outer barrel is metal din. And then may kasama na rin front and rear sights. Kasama niya magazine is a 300 rounds na metal magazine, di kamot. Ito yung stock niya. Naka butterfly swivel na rin for sling attachment. And naka Noveske metal charging handle. Then working din ng bolt release niya. Ayan. Pogi ng unit. So may kasama na rin siyang suppressor. Ito. So Noveske na suppressor. Ayan. Okay, so test natin. Check kung ilang FPS out of the box. Okay. So 430 to 440 out of the box.